Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable notification timing for 50 seconds on the Facebook app when using it on your PC. This is part of the latest update, and it's a really useful feature if you want your notifications to stay visible a bit longer on your screen. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and select Display and Accessibility. This section contains settings that control how content appears and behaves on your screen. Next, go ahead and click on Accessibility Settings. Inside this menu, you'll see different options designed to improve your viewing and interaction experience. Now, click on Display. This is where you can adjust how long certain elements stay visible, including notifications. Look for the option called Notifications Timing. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see different timing options available. Go ahead and select 50 seconds. This means your notifications will now stay on the screen longer, giving you more time to read and interact with them without feeling rushed. After selecting 50 seconds, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes, and that's it. Your notification timing is now updated. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you often miss notifications or prefer a slower pace while browsing. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your apps.